Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to make all cells in spreadsheet the same size. First step, click into the left top corner of the spreadsheet to select all columns and rows. Set the cursor on the column headers. Drag the column border line as you need. As soon as you release the button, all columns will be the same size. Here's another way to do. Again, set the cursor on the column headers, right-click, column width, I will go for 20. The same way as we did for column width, we would do for column height. Set the cursor here, drag it as you need. All column heights will be the same. Or you can set the cursor on the row headers, right-click, row height. I will go for 15. As you can see, all column height and width are the same. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.